Okay, now it's recording. The screen's not big enough to get you in the bike.
Yeah, that's it. I mean, people who ride Harleys have to be big, you know. So first of all, I'm putting on my local headdress.
The girly scarf.
Okay, we're in Dubai here, U.A.E, 28th of August. Spontaneous little Saturday morning ride, just Randy and me. And this is actually Bawadi area. Planned were 52 hotels in this area, and Universal Studios, MGM, all of those big guys having some huge theme parks down here.
Not going to happen.
So, now you got it. Ready for takeoff.
You think that's loud enough? Oofta doofta. Oh, being chased by a Mack truck, huh? Alright, here he comes back. Here he comes. Here he comes. Can you see him? It's like a speck. Now that's my ears are still ringing. I don't think it's quite loud enough, huh? Okay, we'll see what he does on the way back. See if he does anything stupid. Here he comes.
That was a good ride.
Yeah. It's not loud enough though. Oof. Geez, my ears are still ringing. It'll be interesting to see how that goes.